What's up guys, Ryan Martin here. I am standing in front of my Champagne Papi, my Champagne 69 Camaro. It's one of my more favorite cars that I own for sure. I originally bought this car for the OG street show. We took the cars from big tires to a streetable, small tire, relatable car that everybody's got in their garages. I kind of realized we drove the car around a little bit and I thought, you know what, a carbureted big block Chevy and a Power Glide is just not super streetable. So we transformed it to what you see here today. It's got a LME aluminum block LS in it, 440 cubic inches, twin precision 76s, turbo 400 with a gear vendor's overdrive, and a Ford 9-inch. The reason why we did that like that is because we wanted to kind of gear it towards drag and drive. One cool thing about it is it's got stainless works from start to finish. As you can see here, we did a lot of customization in mounting the headers. I wanted the weight of the turbos to be back against the firewall. So of course that took a lot of customization and a lot of fabrication. We put brand new carpet in it. We put a brand new dash in it. I like the factory center consoles, so I even put the factory center console and the factory shifter in it. We're shifting the Turbo 400 with the factory U-style shifter. I like to go take my family out in it. My son loves it. It's hard to drive one of these things around because a lot of people want to race you. And when you got your family in your car, you don't really want to race. So we tried just to putt it. Literally, when my family's with me, we just cruise the car around. The turbos make everything docile. So it seems to have really good driving mannerisms. I think the cool thing about any turbo car is that it's muffled, it's quieter. So you've got, my Chevelle is real rowdy, real nasty, and it doesn't even make as much horsepower, but Stainless Works offers, for like a lot of the truck kits that we do, they offer a loud muffler and they offer a quiet muffler. And I always prefer the quieter muffler. I like things to sound good, but I don't like them to be so overbearing that you can't hear yourself think when you're driving down the road. Yeah, maybe I'm getting old, man, I don't know what it is. But I just don't like loud stuff anymore. So myself and Sean Ellington Murder have started a series called Outlaw Syndicate. This little jewel right here will fit right in that 530 little gangster class. I think I'm gonna race this. I think Sean's gonna race the 55 that he's got. Both these cars have been right in the 520, 530 range. I do enjoy building them, like plotting out the build of what I'm gonna do. Like, you know, when I start with a car and I go, okay, I want to take this car and I want to do this with it and I want it to make this much horsepower. The build process is pretty fun, maybe even more so than actually driving them. But with us lately, we've been pro mod racing and big tire racing and small tire racing. We haven't had a lot of time. So it's kind of been to where we don't drive these cars a lot either. So I would say lately it's been just enjoying them by driving them down the road, to be honest with you.